Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today, we'd like to show you just local updates for Arbitrum USDT trading pair with my customer set on KuCoin. Let's dive in, guys. We track this Arbitrum chart since listing on KuCoin March 23, and now we trade a long-term period, basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's count with this date range. So we trade here around this block like 147 days. So this is weekly candles, and we trade 147 days around the best zone to buy. Can we drop lower? Yes, of course, guys, we can. On other exchanges, the model intention accumulation pump model, what we use it already invalidated, right? But I use trying always use the lowest listing price, and KuCoin, the listing price was 12 cents. I don't know why the exchanges can't list the token same day, especially the same day with the same price. I don't know. Here's a reaction till penny. We react at 37 cents, 63 here till penny reaction. So can it looks like a double bottom on the weekly time frame? Basically, yes. And the target will be exactly around 0.5 level above to close the weekly gap. Of course, guys, this cycle is so difficult, right? And a lot of insiders, a lot of venture funds, like I already explained to you, just dump the price because they got a priority. Some seed rounds, some private rounds. If we compare, for example, that 2020, right, even earlier years, so the seed round for the Solana was like 20 cents, and Sol pump after that correction, but anyway, pump it to 250. So that's a big difference between this cycle and previous one. Previous cycle, so when the venture funds invest in some project, there was not so much tokens, so they put the price higher and distributed step by step during the bear market. Now the BTC hit the new all-time high, but the venture funds used the liquidity from their launched tokens, just to buy the BTC. So that's why the BTC dominance is so high this time. So the local first one, we can trade, first of all, we can trade long-term period here, a long-term period, maybe till end of the summer. So next 60 days. So it's going to be the long consolidation, like over than 200 days. Yes, it's possible. Invalidation of this idea if the token dump on the listing price. On KuCoin, it's 12 cents. I'm in Arbitrum. I don't think so. We're going to hit the new all-time high, based on KuCoin. But yes, I believe we can hit over than $2.40. $2.40. So first of all, we have to, if we consolidate here longer, to talk about the uptrend move, we have to break this structure, break of structure. So this is the last impulse down, December 24. So it's $1.23. So we have to break this structure and talk about uptrend structure on a weekly. It's kind of problem. It's kind of problem now with this market sentiment. Take a look on the weekly, on the monthly candles. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's like they accumulate. The whales accumulate. I mean, I want to show you some data here. So this is accumulation. We lay down at the bottom on direction on the monthly. So technically, yes, of course, somebody selling it, but the more people, I guess, accumulate. But what the problem? The main problem, the people think, so if they accumulate some long-term period here, this is accumulation, they will put the price so high, like 10,000% gains, 5,000% gains. No, guys, it's not. They can accumulate, and after that, put the price, 300% and distribute their backs step by step, or at least withdraw initial deposit. So here, this is accumulation, and last time, it's just 200%. Huge accumulation. Just 200% on the weekly, guys, on a weekly. So this is, yes, looks like double bottom. So the size at least should be the test of 71 cents. After that, $1.53, $1.64. On a distance, I believe we can hit these targets. That's why if you want to buy now, 34 cents, you can do this one because we are still in the best zone to buy based on this strategy, right? Invalidation, so you can accept the risk or skip the token. We can't know the future. That's why now, based on risk rewards, it's more than okay. Accumulate Arbitrum, I guess. This is a signals for accumulation and signal to buy. Buy Arbitrum now. This is a capitulation, and we're in this belief area. So also based it on the sentiment, on the market mode indicator, we're in a good condition now to buy. Take a look, guys. Trade on. Weekly time frame, the buyback signal. Daily, what can I say about daily? Here was the last signal to buy, sell. So if you trade with my customer cassette just intraday, yes, you could fix a 100% profit without the leverages, right? Or 200% with a second leverage. So yes, technically we leave the actual lows. Yes, technically it's actual lows. Will we drop or not, guys? You have to know. It's just a market of space of possibilities. The Donald Trump can post any tweet, any news can appear, and we can dump. Just from the dump can be from the nowhere. People wait at the black swan, but it's not necessary. So we will see the black swan. Even just the basic tweet or some trash talk from the Donald Trump enough to dump the price again 31% from this price. Because here people won't believe, so we're gonna drop the 48%. So why now we can't drop 30%, for example? That's why, guys, 37, 63, 28, 77 is more than comfortable price accumulator Arbitrum if you believe in this project. BTC dominance still high, so this is one good reason to accumulate Arbitrum, like one-off some projects for investment. Ethereum still not hit the new all-time high. Right, so I believe that Ethereum will hit. That it means other tokens, middle cap tokens will follow Ethereum, and I guess that the Arbitrum can be one of them. That's why logically, yes. Also, what is good? Usually, when we form something like this one, come on. So the people, what they're doing usually, they draw the trend lines like this one, touch. We break. It's a fake out. We have to break it out, retest. Yes, it's possible. Yes, it's possible to see. It's possible. So it's more than logical, right? Expect this one, this target, this like a magnet. Let me show you here. So this is a 0.5 level by FIP. This is like a magnet now. 71 cents, 87, 89. So it's 100%. That's why if you get a plan, accumulate now, you can accumulate. My entry around a little bit higher. Yes, a little bit higher, around, I guess, 60. Yes, I'm in losses. So it's okay. It's not okay, of course, it's not okay. But yes, I bought last time the Arbitrum here, in the first zone to buy. So I bought around like 66. And after that, we drop a little bit lower because I accumulate in two zones, right? So in the first zone to buy and the second one. So I get like two orders here and here. So my average price around here. So I wait. And yes, I think I will wait at least to $1.53, $1.64, and maybe new all-time high. So yes, I don't think so. The Arbitrum will be one of token which I will out at the break even. Daily here. This is money outflow, money inflow. A nice one. Weekly, kind of bad because we don't see any new money inflow. But here was accumulation. Here was accumulation pump, money outflow. Now, definitely not a money outflow, right? We got a RSI bullish divergence, MACD bullish divergence. So, by my personal opinion, guys, anyway, this summer or this autumn, some altcoins will perform. And I guess the Arbitrum can perform also, right? How high? I don't build so crazy expectations, right? Some craziness. If we extend, by the way, the lines right, this is right, and this is actual lows like support here. Yes, maybe we're gonna trade till the middle of August. So we can trade in this like triangle. Can we drop lower? Yes, of course we can trade in this triangle, and drop in the size of this triangle will be even on the listing price. It's going to be just mind-blowing how low we can drop, and if we will drop, it will be just total disbelief, total depression in the market. But I believe in higher price targets, and there's a lot of reasons. So daily we're almost at the top, but still no distribution. That's why it would be logical to break this high, 42, 53, 51, and test 57, 76, 71, 89, and go straight to breakup structure on the weekly. And the last indicator, guys, is take profit. Take profit on the weekly, we are so underrated. This was why one more reason for me when I see the token which trade, not all of them, but if some, I guess, big project, right? Like Arbitrum trade under fundamental value, at least we're gonna bounce to take profit sooner or later. So take profit line now is $1.17, and exit line it's over than zero level, it's $1.31. So this is it. So from this current prices, if you're ready to buy, it's 224% and 264. This is it. Weekly time frame. It's a weekly time frame and daily. So capitulation again. To test the buy line, it's more than real to see. Here it's 2280. Fundamental value 1698. If you not feel comfortable now with 34 cents, just better wait. Sometimes better skip the token, just better wait and accumulate at 22.96, 17 cents. So this is it, guys. 12-hour time frame, you know, we tested fundamental value, test the buy line, bounce, exit line, drop, and didn't test the buy line on 12 time frame. Once again, the buy line on 12 time frame, 23.34, fundamental value, 17.42. So I will be not surprised if by middle of June we will see the new low again. I will not add any stable coins into Arbitrum. I will wait because I'm not a fan of DCA, right? I will just wait. So that's my plan. So the targets middle term I showed you. I guess it's too soon to talk about a new all-time high. So let's be real, guys. We're still in that accumulation zone, invalidation, you know, local targets, 12-hour time frame, daily time frame, I explained to you. So guys, if you would like to trade with my customer, because I what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.